Jalalabad International University.
Welcome to Jalalabad International University.
Welcome to Jalalabad International University.
Welcome to Jalalabad University.
Welcome to Jalalabad International University.
Imagine a vibrant campus where the air hums with 1,000 accents, a true marketplace for brilliant minds and future doctors. Here at Jalalabad International University, the students are provided with top-notch facilities, amazing campus and residential amenities. Our digital ecosystem ensures we're always learning from the latest evidence-based medicine and can always seamlessly access global research from anywhere on campus. The well-equipped library is far more than just a quiet study space. It's a dynamic 24/7 intellectual ecosystem tailored for modern medical education. Our medical conference rooms serve as a dynamic venues transforming theatrical knowledge into practical and professional dialogue. Our anatomy and pathology labs are engineered to deliver a superior integrated learning experience. The facilities feature excellent preservation techniques for cadavers and specimens, complemented by cutting-edge digital resources such as virtual dissection tables and advanced imaging monitors at every station. Our college is defined by our faculty, who are highly published physicians and surgeons. Complementing this support are our rigorous viva and doubt-clearing sessions. Our faculty embodies a friendly and profoundly supportive environment. We celebrate the rich diversity of our student body through events that showcase our talent in music, drama, and fine arts. The senior student community are actively engaged in FMG preparation classes. Complementing this mentorship are dedicated and separate library sections specifically reserved for final year students. Our well-equipped hospital is conveniently located right in campus. Active Sports Council is dedicated to promoting fitness and competitive spirit among students. All of these state-of-the-art academic and clinical facilities are seamlessly integrated within our campus, strategically located in the beautiful city of Manas, Kyrgyzstan.